Being a good basketball player is partly acting also.
Oh, yeah. Larry Bonachera gets it over to Junti once again. Valenzuela inside to Lordy. Lordy did not expect that pass. And it's taken by Don Tomaso, who runs it up.
Nobody guarding Noy Castillo.
This is the shot, but it's an offensive rebound here by Kurt Benavides. 7 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Jump shot. And the best chance and action here in the third quarter. Pure Foods by 6 at 65-59 in game number 6. Pure Foods leading the series 3-2. At yan po ating score update hanggang sa inyo ng Gold Eagle Beer. Pagpagdisyon, sabay ambisyon. We'll be right back.
On Pinoy Central TV.
Feel the thrill in the 2006 PBA Philippine Cup Finals.
Ito naman ang ating pinakaabangan na Red Bull Energy Play. At si Junti Valenzuela, makikita nyo naman ang ganda ng pihit, ang ganda ng layup. At hindi po inalitara ang defensa na Pure Foods. Ang sabi niya, ang bumangga, hiba. Start of the fourth quarter. Naman ang Pure Foods ng anim. At 65-59. Bonachera. Bigyan na mamatras naman kay Richard G. Bigyan na dinabas kay Mick Pinisi. And the jump shot. Tian press mula sa pinakakas ng Tian. Power to the people.
Sort of scoring by quarters there. The third quarter was pretty close after one team has either dominated the first or the second. That's why this game has tightened up here. Only a 3-point lead by Pure Foods. What a move!
Gets through. They won to 22 in the game. Junti Valenzuela meron ng 19 puntos. Lordy Tugade. Looking around, finds Larry Bonachera. Bonachera sumaksak sa loob. Layup by Bonachera. Hindi din pumasok. Pero meron foul. And it's going to go on against Noy Castillo.
Good drive there by Larry Bonachera, using the traffic to find a path to the basket. As Red Bull continues to attack the rim.
And let's see if they can do better from the free throw line now. Larry Bonachera, respectable free throw shooter. Samantala, ito po yung ginawa naman kanina ni Junti Valenzuela. Inabot sa kanina ni Mick Pinisi. TM Trasian, natin sa inyo na pinalakas na TM, power to the people. Samantala, Larry Bonachera makes both free throws and cuts the lead of Pure Foods down to 3. Tatlo na lang.
Well, they say that average percentages average out, and Red Bull shot 56% in that third quarter compared to only 41% for Pure Foods.
Well, so the shoes on the other foot, but look at Berbere Mundo getting away once again. Well, now Lordy Tugade finds a small opening, gets it over to Mick Pinisi. Manipulate kay Pinisi to the three-point shot. Yes! TM press plus a pinalagas sa TM. Power to the people. And the three-point shot now working for Red Bull. They cut the lead of Pure Foods down to 2. Here's Roger Yap. Pinabas kay Noy Castillo. Three-point shot! Ulitin ko. Isa na naman po ang TM press mula sa pinalagas sa TM. Power to the people. Enrico Villanueva, umatras. Mick Pinisi. Oh no. Ulitin ko na naman eh. Roger Yap. Binigay kay Noy Castillo. Castillo drives through. And Don Tomaso is fouled.
A good foul there by Junti, not giving up an easy shot to Don Tomaso, sending him to the line.
But Junti Valenzuela picks up his 5th personal foul. And he has been a vital cog here, but as a Red Bull on both sides of the court.
19 points in the game for Junti. He's probably going to be rested as Cyrus Baguio is at the scorer's table. Tomaso hits his first foul shot.
Samantala, si Cyrus Baguio pupapasok muna ni Coach Ian Giao para kay Junti Valenzuela, who already has 5 personals.
Well, the two players who really exploded last game for Red Bull, Larry Bonachera and Enrico, have only combined for 10 points in this basketball game.
Well, they did the most damage in the fourth quarter in game number 5. Let's see if they can do a reprise of that. Ano pa naman si Lordy Tugade? Nick Pinisi had to stretch hard for that. Pinisi out to Cyrus Baguio. Baguio having problems. 7-point lead by Pierre Cruz with 9 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Samantala si Sereno Cruz, pumasok para kay Lordy Tugade. Sa panig ng Red Bull. 9.5 minutes to go. Noy Castillo. Sinusundan ni Larry Panasier. Kirby Raimundo. Don Tomaso. Manigulo kay Kirby. Kirby inside. Sumuhit. Good shot. Wala pero merong foul. And this one is on Cyrus Baguio.
The matchup of putting smaller players on Kirby has worked somewhat in this series. He's averaging 13 points per game. Like Coach Chuck mentioned at the beginning, he's shooting under 40% from the floor, but it's not working tonight, Ed.
No, it's not.
Kirby's getting away with murder here.
He's done a lot of damage against Red Bull, especially here in the second half. 24 points for Kirby Raimundo. Starting on the second try. And the lead up here goes back up to 8.